doing stunts, and we back at it on another video. Over here in Philadelphia, in the Kensington area, we are, you know what I mean, we experience a snowstorm right now. We get a little snow shower. You know what I'm saying? Road is wet. Road starts to get wet. Once the road starts to get wet, it starts to become icy. Once it starts to become icy, the snow normal, you know, after that sticks. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But we out here. We out here, you know what I mean? We back at it on another Kensington video. Smash that like button, smash that notification, hit that subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all think. Leave a comment. We're approaching Allegheny and Frankfurt. Allegheny and Frankfurt, y'all. This is where we gonna go ahead and make the right. So I can explain to y'all what I was talking about on my video. You know what I'm saying? I just uploaded about God answered prayers. You know what I mean? I want y'all to see it for yourself. I mean, I saw it for myself, and I wanted y'all to see it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we out here in the freaking storm. It's snowing. You know what I mean? Currently snowing. I don't know. You can start to see the little white on top of the cars, you know what I mean? Little flaky flakes starting to build up on top of the cars. You start to see that. We out here. Look at the snow. Yeah. I wasn't lying, bro. You see that snow starting to fill up the sidewalk. You know what I mean? You see that snow. You see that snow. You know what I mean? But we out here. Trying to stay safe. Definitely stay safe. I mean, everybody in Philadelphia, stay safe. It's a dangerous city out here. So like earlier, we had a couple cars parked up right here, right on top of the sidewalk. They were taking stuff off, you know, the homeless. It looked like everybody tempted to go ahead and leave because of how cold. Yeah, it looks like everybody good. I've been ripping and running all day. Now, man, we right here on Clearfield, Kensington. We're gonna go bang a left on Clearfield. I'm on the way to see my boy. A1 Stat. You know what I mean? He's one of my mechanics. Good friend. You know what I mean? Frankfurt and Clearfield. The bar over to our right. To the left, A1 stat, and then I'm gonna park up, take my boy out. Anyway, long story short, it's Hood Stunt. You're back with another video, and I'm out. Peace.